Hey, Fred and Mark's Garage. Today we do a little time travel. Back to my first encounter of the black S10, more affectionately known as Richie's truck. So why don't you come along, join me. We'll hop in the TARDIS, go 88 miles per hour, and get down to business. Alright, check it out. Hi, coming at you from Richard's truck here. Just got the battery hooked up and the oil changed. We're gonna see what we got here. All right. Ooh, good sign, we got some dingage. Oh, I heard oil pump kick on, or fuel pump kick on, but it doesn't seem like there's any in the tank. The gauge is not working. 1:15 is the time on the clock. What time is it here? I don't know. Anyways, ready to crank. Oh, you hear that? Holy fuck, it runs. A bit rough. Oh, it's a bit rough. Service engine soon, low fuel lights on. We got oil pressure. A lot of oil pressure. So we got a bad miss. That's about it. Let's go check it out real quick. Oh, look at it. Bad miss making it jump, jump, jump. Holy schmeggies. Cool beans, buddy. It runs. So probably because it was over full at the oil change place, they never drained it and they added oil to it. So it was greatly overfilled. So we got some oil smoke in the cylinders and stuff. I'm guessing that probably fouled out one of the plugs. So it's gonna need plugs. I might as well do plugs and wires and shit on it. Anyways, peace out. Oh, it's me again. Got Richie's truck back to the shop here. If you remember the last video, I had a pretty bad miss. Shook like a motherfucker. Anyways, pulled the plugs. They didn't look the greatest. Did a compression test. Everything nice and up there where it's supposed to be. So, without putting a whole lot of money into it, I grabbed some spark plugs for it. Got them put in. Made sure I had spark on all 4 plug wires, which it does. So we're gonna fire it up right now, see what it sounds like. Are you ready? Still has a mess. Still got a mess. Well, looks like we'll have to put in a little bit more. Figure out the problem. Alright, till next one. Peace. So it's been some time since I've worked on Richie's truck. Time has passed, obviously, as you witnessed in the previous section. Anyway, since that point, I've taken off the fuel rail and replacing the fuel injectors. I tried to clean up the area as best I could, opening the holes up and making sure you're clean. So we're going to get this put back together and try and shove it back in there. Not doing too much damage. Hopefully it'll run good. So here you go. Alright, here comes the struggle. Everybody ready? Get ready to laugh, because this is going to be fun. Alright, gotta take the pressure regulator off. Son of a biscuit. Alright, here we go, round two. Trying to play round two. Well, I think I might have it. So I got it in. I got the first bolt right in here. Got that one. Started working on the back one, which is right in there underneath that. That there round piece is where the fuel regulator goes, pressure regulator. But my fitting fell below the firewall on the line here. So I'm trying to fish that up right now. And then I'm going to hook up the pressure regulator and then do that bottom bolt. Hopefully. So that's where I'm at right now. It's been quite a little bitch, but that's alright. We'll get her done. So right now I'm struggling to get the fuel line into the fuel pressure regulator on this end right there. It really sucks. It's I don't know what's happening. Really struggling though. Hoping I can get it done. And it's sucking. It sucks really bad. Sucks. So it's been a few days since I've worked on this. I dropped a screw. Yeah, dropped a screw. It's an important screw. And it didn't hit the ground. It's one that goes on the end of the fuel rail here. See where the fuel pressure regulator goes in there. There's that little hole right behind the bigger hole. That's where that screw sits in, and it holds down the fuel pressure regulator. Well, it's a specific thread. I didn't want to jam something in there, get it to work. So I've been searching high and low for one. Coming up short. Well, I was at the parts store today, So while at the parts store, my buddy Jason, who I consider an elite automotive technician suggested to use an air wand to blow in the general area of where that screw may have fallen to see if it'll blow out. And I thought to myself, well, why the heck didn't I think of that? And I started thinking, I thought too much, because I think about blowing dust and dirt and shit. But if you look at this engine, it's dusty and dirty, and you know, so yeah, my point is mute. Anyways, we're gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna put you down here on the floor. You're gonna keep an eye out for a falling screw. So here. Keep your eyes open. I don't see nothing. Well, you guys see anything? I don't see nothing. Nothing. Son of a biscuit. fuck? I see that one. I can see that one. Son of a biscuit. Well, at least I can see it. Oh my god. Look at that shit. I wonder. Yeah. Just fucking around, just fucking around. Excuse me, messing around. Just messing around.
too late. It's alright, I'll be coming home soon. Heart is blind, I've been down in time. Nothing can keep me from you. I try to live without your touch. The world is cold and lonely enough. And all the time is passing us both up. Oh, I won't lie, I need to feel your love. Your love, your love. Long roads with your memory, a hard line I'll take. No sight how it's gonna be. It's alright, I know what I gotta do. Heart is blind, I've been down at times. Nothing can keep me from you. My heart is sore, and I've been down before. Now I'm running, running. Nothing can keep me from my heart is sore. I've been down before. Now I'm running, running. Nothing can keep me from you.
Well, unbeknownst to me, my battery died last night while filming, so you didn't get to see me struggle and struggle and struggle to get this bolt that's down here underneath this fuel pressure regulator. Connects to the fuel rail right there, bolts it to the block. So you didn't get to see that. If you're wondering what that zip tie is, that's to keep that fuel line fitting from falling down underneath, because that is a pain in the butt to fish out of there with one person. So anyways, we got this all put back together for the most part. I'm going to do some plug-ins and stuff. In the meantime, I'm going to change out the fuel filter underneath. Seeing it's been sitting for a while, I figured that's a good thing to do. Well, I just loosened this. Surprisingly, it's very loose. So that's awesome. All right, I gotta get some side cutters. You guys hear Derek on the TV? Ha. What else do you do? You can watch Bicycle God while I'm working on the cars. Holy wow, it's so close. Get on there. Okay. I know this is the right size. Good enough, right? So how many of you all are Facebook garage fans? Work. Oops. For the girls anyway. All right. Let's start plugging shit back in. Yay. All right, time to plug some stuff in. this thing.